Want to keep your Roblox account super secure? In this quick guide, I will show you how to set up the Roblox Authenticator app on both iPhone and Android. First, launch your Roblox app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the More page. Once you're over here, head over to the Option Settings. Now click on the option Security. You will see an option for Authenticator app. Enable for it. Once that's done, Roblox will send a 6-digit code to your email. Enter that code to continue. After verifying your email, you will see a code appear at the top of your screen. Tap on it and copy it. This is your secret key. Now leave the Roblox app and open App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Microsoft Authenticator. Launch it. Then click on the option Add Account. Then select Other. Choose Enter Code manually. Now in the account name, type in Roblox. In the secret key, paste that copied key. Then click on Finish. You will now see a 6-digit code generating in the app. Copy it, go back to Roblox and paste that code in. Now click on Verify. Roblox will now show you backup codes. These are super important in case you lose access to your Authenticator app. And that's it. Your Roblox account is now protected with two-factor authentication via an app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.